In this video, I'll show you how to create this about me trend video on TikTok using Capcut. So if you want to become a part of this trending video, then let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, to create this video trend, you'll need TikTok and you'll need an app called Capcut. Capcut is a free video editor which is available on your Google Play Store or your App Store. So search for it and make sure you download it. Now, once that's downloaded, you want to go back to your TikTok app. Here, you're searching for the following: about me, and then the word Capcut. Now, in the search results, you're looking for those videos that are doing the trend. So if you scroll down, you'll find these are the videos that are doing the trend here. Now, within those videos, you're looking for the following button here: Capcut about me. So if you see it, go ahead and tap on it. Now here, you want to go ahead and tap on Use Template in Capcut. This will now open up Capcut and will show you the template. Go ahead and tap on Use Template. Now you want to go ahead and select a photo of yourself. Tap on Next. And now to edit all the text, go ahead and tap on Text. And now you want to go ahead and tap on each boxes to change what is inside. Once that's done, go ahead and preview the video and make sure you're happy with it. Now, once you're happy with it, go ahead and tap on Add Sound in TikTok at the top right. This will now export the video and send it over to TikTok. As you can see, it has added the trending music. So all you need to do is add your stickers or any effects and then post this to your TikTok app. And there you go. That is how to create About Me trend video on TikTok using Capcut. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.